In this video, I'm going to show you how to make automatic subtitles in Premiere Pro. So first open up your project and make sure you have your video footage in the timeline. Then click on Window in the top navigation, scroll all the way down this window and press Text. Now from the text window, click on Captions and select Create Captions from Transcript. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Caption in Preferences, change the maximum length in characters to 12, change the minimum duration in seconds to 1.2, and make sure lines is set to single. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to Caption in Preferences. Next to Speaker Labeling, if you have multiple speakers, decide whether you want to separate these speakers. I'm just going to press No, Don't Separate Speakers. Then select Transcribe and Create Captions. So now what you can do is go through your captions to make sure everything's correct. If you want to adjust the style of your captions, then just select all of them like so. Click on Window, select Properties, and then in this right-hand window, we can go and adjust the styling and also the position and color of these captions. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you create automatic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.